In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save Snapchat photo to gallery. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Snapchat app. And now I'm just gonna swipe up to head over to memories. Here I got some memories, and now if we wanna save one of them from Snapchat to our device's photos gallery, all we have to do is just open up that memory. After that, just long press at this picture until this pop-up appears. Down below here, tap at export or send snap. Then at share elsewhere section, drag it to the left until you will find download. And now, guys, all we have to do is just hit at download. It says saved. It means that that particular photo has just been saved to Photos app. Here it is. That's how we can find it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.